Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my evening speed clean. I'm also going to be sharing with you all the favourite products that I love to use every evening when I clean my house. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a mum of one to a little boy called George who is 2. I love to post motherhood, lifestyle and cleaning videos. So if that's the kind of thing you're into, please hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, let's get into today's video. So the first room then that I'm going to start with is my bathroom, and as you can see here I've got this amazing cleaning caddy. I think it was something like £1.99 from B&M, but all I'll do is I will go to my cleaning cupboard, I will load up all the products that I want to use for that particular room, put it in the caddy because it just makes it so much easier to carry it around. So with the bathroom, this is probably one of the rooms that gets the messiest in the house. Actually, they're all pretty messy today because George has just, lived in it all day. If you have kids, you'll know exactly what I'm on about. He's just had his bath, so I'm just going to pick up all his toys. I'm not going to deep clean his toys. I do that once a week when I do my deep clean. I like to disinfect all of his bath toys and his bath mat and things. So I'm just going to give everything a rinse down and pop it all away. The next thing I'm going to do is clean the glass on the shower door, and I'm using this Star Drops white vinegar, and although it doesn't smell that great, I'm not a massive fan of the smell of vinegar, but it really does help get rid of any watermarks, and it also leaves everything streak free as well. So moving on then to cleaning the end of the bath. On the end of my bath I have a basket full of my products. I have a bath scrub, and I also have this beautiful houseplant that my friends bought me from my old job as my leaving gift. So I'm going to use my Method bathroom cleaner and a bathroom sponge to clean the bath and the towels around it as well. If you've watched my vlogs before, my cleaning videos, you'll know that I'm obsessed with Method, love their cleaners, and it works incredibly well. I'm then going to take another bathroom cleaner and also some Flash bleach spray, and I'm going to use this on, I've got a little rust stain from the wire basket, but it works really well at getting rid of rust, so I'm just going to use that and then pop everything back. Now, next thing I'm going to clean then is my sink. I'm going to take my trusty Method cleaner again. This cleaner, guys, is absolutely amazing. I use it for pretty much everywhere in my bathroom, and it smells amazing as well. I'm then going to take my Cif Perfect Finish stainless steel cleaner, and this is one of my all-time favourite products. There's just something so satisfying about cleaning taps and making them shiny, and this product works really well, and I'm just going to clean it with a microfiber cloth. Because it really does get rid of any watermarks, and then I'm going to take a packet of bleach wipes and give everything a bit of a clean before putting everything back on the sink. Okay, so I have this top ledge area in my bathroom where I've got a mirror and a candle, so I'm just going to remove everything from there, use my Method cleaner again and just give it a nice clean down, and then again I'm going to take my bleach wipes and give everything a bit of a scrub before putting it back up on the ledge. Right, so moving on to my least favourite job in the house, which is cleaning the toilet. I'm making sure that I'm putting on my yellow marigold gloves, and I'm using this new Harpic Pine bleach. It's the first time I've ever used this. I saw Mrs. Hinch use it on her Instagram, and it actually does smell incredible and works really well as well. Whilst I'm going to let that settle, I'm just going to take a bleach wipe and clean the toilet and just give it a bit of a wipe down, and then take my toilet brush and give the toilet bowl a scrub. I then like to take a capful of Soflora. My favourite one at the moment is Linen Fresh, so I'm just going to take a capful of that and pour it down the toilet because it really does just make the whole room smell amazing. And the last couple of things then that I need to do is just put a fresh hand towel out on the towel rail, and I also like to take a bleach wipe and just give both the door handles on either side a nice clean. So that is everything then in the bathroom, really lovely and clean and refreshed. Everything just smells amazing in there as well. And then the next room I'm going to be moving on to is my front room, and it is pretty embarrassing today how messy it actually is. But if you have kids, you'll completely understand that George is currently going through a stage where he likes to empty every toy box and he just wants to play with one particular toy. So it takes me about 5 or so minutes just to pack all of George's toys away in the right boxes, and then I'm going to sit and organise his books as well. I just like to give the table a little bit of a wipe down. I'm actually not going to scrape it to my hand, I'm just scraping all the crisps and crumbs onto the floor because I'm just about to hoover. So I'm going to take the hoover pipe and just clean around the table and under the table, and then I'll do the rest of the living room floor a bit later on. So surprise, surprise, I'm using another method cleaner of mine. This is the grapefruit scent and it smells incredible. And I'm just going to spray a bit of it on a microfiber cloth and clean all of my wooden areas where George's grubby hands have been. The great thing with these method products is you can use it on pretty much every surface, including wood. So yeah, now I'm going to move on to cleaning my sofas. You could just see those teddies there that my mum made George, which he absolutely loves. I'm going to just go make my sofas. I'm going to pick up all the blankets that we have on our sofas. The reason we have these blankets on our sofas is because we have a 2-year-old, and if you have a toddler you'll know how messy children can get, and I really don't want kids stains all over my cream sofa. So until he's a bit older we have some blankets. So like I said, I'm just going to decrumb everything, plump the cushions and pop them on the sofa, and then I'm also going to do exactly the same for the cuddle chair as well. So just before I move on to cleaning the dining room and the kitchen, I'm just going to put some of this shaken back down on the carpet. This is the scent vanilla, and it just really helps making your carpet smell amazing and lifting any extra dirt out of the carpet. So I'm going to let that sit while I tackle the dining room, which you can see is not that messy. We still have got our plates and things on the table because we have recently just had dinner at this time. So I'm going to start off by cleaning the cabinet and just decluttering it all and putting things away, and then I'm going to take my method cleaner again and a microfiber cloth and just give everything a clean down. So now I'm going to clear the table. Can you tell from here that I am slightly missing my old job working in a restaurant? I just really miss it, but I'm going to clean the table, put all of the plates away, pick up everything that's on the table really and just put it where it needs to go, and then take my method cleaner again and just give this protector a scrub. We've got this protector on our table just because we didn't want to get like heat marks on the table and things, so we put it on there when we're eating and then we'll take it off afterwards. I'm then going to pop all the chairs in and give George's toy kitchen a nice clean as well. Using that microfiber cloth then, I'm just going to give the fish tank a nice dust, and then I'm also going to move to the bookshelf area and give that a clean down as well. And then just the same as the front room, I'm going to take my shaken back, sprinkle it down on the dining room floor to let that settle whilst I clean the kitchen. Okay, so moving on to the kitchen then, I fully appreciate how bad and messy the kitchen looks, out of all of the rooms, it's actually not that messy. So I'm just going to start off by unloading the dishwasher. I had put it on, I forgot to put it on last night, so I put it on this morning, so that has just finished. So I'm going to empty the dishwasher, and then I'm just going to go around the kitchen, put everything away that needs to go into the dishwasher to be washed in the dishwasher. So these bags are up here from when we went shopping earlier, so I just need to pack away the last few things I didn't get around to unpacking. So I'm just going to pop all these things in the cupboard and the fridge and pop away the bags for life. I'm then just going to work my way around the kitchen, basically from left to right, putting everything away where it needs to go and putting all the rubbish in the bin. So for my kitchen sides then, I'm going to use my Flash bleach spray. This is only £1 guys, and it lasts for such a long time. I'm then going to use my minky sponge on like the more coarser side to scrub the sides down to make them lovely and clean. And then I'm going to use this the pink stuff, which is like a cream, which is by the brand Star Drops. I absolutely love the pink stuff paste. So when I saw this, I thought I'm just going to have to give it a go, and it is pretty much identical to the Cif cream cleaner that I normally use on my hob as well, but this just works really well at getting rid of any stains or grease that is really difficult to get off the hob. I'm then going to use my squeegee to wipe away any residue, and then use my microfiber cloth again just to give it a wipe down. These microfiber cloths are absolutely great. I got these in B&M as a pack of 5 for £3, which is just incredible. And then I'm going to take my hoover up the kitchen, and then also use the hoover and clean the front room and the dining room as well, and just work my way through the house and cleaning up that shaken back. So the last product then I'm going to be using this evening is my Febreze, and I'm just going to spray this all over my curtains and also the sofa as well, just to freshen up all of the fabrics inside of the house. Guys, that is my evening speed clean. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. It's free to do so, and I post a lot of cleaning, motivation videos, motherhood, lifestyle sort of videos. So if you like that, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I make a video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you, bye!
And my heart just can't ignore that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there.